Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the clutch on a Toyota Tacoma. First, gather all necessary tools, including a transmission jack, torque wrench, and various sockets. You'll also need a complete new clutch kit, a new pilot bearing, and a new release bearing. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and securely lifting your truck on sturdy jack stands before starting any work. Once the truck is safely supported, begin by draining the transmission fluid and removing the drive shaft. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the shift linkage from the transmission. Support the engine with a jack or engine hoist to prevent it from dropping. Then, unbolt the transmission from the engine block and gently lower it using a transmission jack, ensuring it clears all obstacles. With the transmission out, you can now access the clutch components. Remove the old pressure plate and clutch disc from the flywheel. It's crucial to replace the pilot bearing, located in the crankshaft, and the release bearing, which is part of the clutch fork assembly. Install the new clutch disc, ensuring it's correctly centered with an alignment tool, then bolt on the new pressure plate to the flywheel. Now, carefully raise the transmission back into place and secure all mounting bolts, torquing them to specification. Reconnect the drive shaft, shift linkage, and all electrical connectors. Refill the transmission with the correct fluid and perform a final check of all connections and clearances. Test the clutch operation before driving. Remember to check the description for links to tools, parts, and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to keep your garage clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.